all of the pieces here tonight, they all originated from my research masters, which was looking at the Sublime of Edmund Burke, which is like an 18th century text on the Sublime. And I was looking at that and how that works in film and installation. So he wrote this amazing work that listed all the things that made us feel sublime. The horror of the world kind of rupturing and breaking apart. So volcanoes and thunder and lightning and darkness and light, and how all of these things were sublime. And so from there, I started to think about how film is like a static subject sometimes, and that there is the opportunity to make it performative. So each of those clips I was taking in real time and mixing together, but not to work like VJ kind of visuals, but to almost tell a story in my own way. And because Burke was so interested in the sublime and the end of the world, and he talked about like this annihilating power of God, I started to look through things that interested me about it. And so that was the sample all the way through is from the opening of Planet of the Apes, where Charlton Heston is lost in space and in time and trying to return back to this world that he doesn't know is the same as it was. And of course it's been annihilated. And so it's a world without us. It's such a great opportunity to work in a space like this. And I think these Interruptions programs, each of the people have been subtly different, although we're all working with projection. And so that, it's an opportunity to do something different with an art gallery, in that it's all film or filmic pieces, or sound pieces that are reactive quite often. So yeah, I think I'm just really happy with it. Yeah.